You open the Chrome Web Store looking for a privacy tool, and almost immediately you see an extension with millions of downloads, thousands of positive reviews, and bold promises of anonymity and protection. It looks safe, it looks trusted, so you install it and move on without thinking much about it. That single decision may have exposed every private AI conversation you ever had. Here is what actually happened. An extension called Urban VPN Proxy became hugely popular across Chrome and Edge, attracting millions of users who genuinely believed it would protect their online activity and browsing habits. For a long time, it appeared harmless and gave users no reason to be suspicious. But after a later update, the extension quietly changed its behavior in ways most users never noticed. Instead of only acting as a VPN, it began collecting data from AI chat services used directly inside the browser. So if you were using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, Grok, Perplexity, or Meta AI, your conversations may not have been as private as you thought. And this was not just basic metadata. The extension captured what users entered into AI tools, what the AI replied with, and even session timing and usage patterns that help build a clearer picture of behavior. That information was then sent back to the extension's parent company and shared with an external analytics firm. The company claimed the data was anonymized, but privacy researchers quickly pointed out the problem with that claim. AI conversations are often deeply personal, covering topics like health, legal issues, finances, work documents, and even source code, and that kind of information is extremely difficult to anonymize in any meaningful way. What makes this situation especially concerning is that users did nothing reckless or careless. They did not download malware from shady websites or click suspicious links. They trusted ratings, reviews, and official platform safeguards that are supposed to protect users. Even worse, many people had installed the extension long before any data collection began. The behavior was introduced later through an update without clear warnings, without transparency, and without meaningful consent. A tool marketed as privacy protection quietly became a surveillance layer. This incident also reveals a larger truth about AI privacy that often goes unnoticed. Your conversations with AI are valuable data because they reveal intent, interests, fears, plans, and behavior patterns in ways few other tools can. For advertisers and data brokers, that level of insight is extremely valuable. Recent investigations show that AI chat data is increasingly being collected and monetized, not always by the AI companies themselves, but by third-party tools sitting between you and the service. You might trust the AI platform you are using, but you also have to trust everything running inside your browser at the same time. Most browser extensions request permission to read and change data on all websites, and most users never take the time to review what that really means. Browser extension stores often react only after damage has already been done. If you care about privacy, you need to be extremely selective with the extensions you install, especially those that promise protection. Just as importantly, do not allow extensions to run on every website by default. Set them to run only when clicked, or restrict them to specific trusted sites, because this single setting alone dramatically reduces your risk. We already have a detailed video explaining how to manage browser extensions safely, including how to limit access and prevent silent data collection, and you will find it linked in the description. Make it a habit to regularly review and remove extensions you no longer use, because an unused extension still has access and still poses a risk. Avoid AI wrappers, unofficial tools, and add-ons that integrate directly with chat services, and use AI platforms through their official websites or apps whenever possible. Millions of people trusted an extension because it looked safe, and that trust quietly turned private AI conversations into a product. In the age of AI, privacy rarely fails loudly or all at once. It fails quietly, through convenience, trust, and small decisions we forget we ever made. Stay aware, stay skeptical, and protect your data before someone else profits from it.